Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing with baby toys. It's right there. You can see it? Yep. I'm gonna play with them and see if I like it. If not, I just do a thumbs down. Yeah. So let's get straight into it. First one is this one. It's this toy right here. It's kind of broken. Is it not working? Wait, it's not working. Wait. Oh. Please leave me alone, okay? Okay.
Rise and shine.
Come on. Here you go, baby. And you play here, okay? I'm recording, okay? Don't mess me up. And it's open! Guys, for a sec. Okay, I'm back. And this next one is this ball right here. Do you see my face? Okay. You don't see my face? Here we go. You see the ball? Okay. I'm playing with this for a while. And I'll give you a thumbs up if you like. Leave a comment. Crazy Squad. If you like it, I'll do more of these. Okay. But with the other one is same. But it's okay, okay? Yeah. Just good. Okay, I like it. I put it